So hello friends, welcome to Suraj Ke classes. Today we are going to check out your vision ability. I mean, there are a lot of applications, lot of job recruitments in which it is written that you should not have color blindness to be eligible to apply for that particular job. So here we are going to see how we can check the color blindness online, how you can check yourself whether you are eligible for the particular exam or not. Do you have the color blindness or you do not have it? Because it is simply not possible to check it out with the outside environment. Whenever you are working somewhere or at your home, you are watching TV, it is not possible to identify the color blindness that way. So there is a particular test for it to identify. So here it is very simple to identify it. What you have to do, you have to just go to the Google, then you search the color blindness test. There are several number of websites which will offer you a free color blindness test. So I am randomly choosing here the Enchroma website. When you click on that link, the page will load. It may take up to several seconds to appear on the screen. Now the page has come. Now the page is visible. So in this, you do not have to go here and there. Just click on this, take the test button. Now you are just to start the test. You have to read out these instructions. In these instructions, it is written that the brightness should be this much, something like that. You have to read these instructions and you can apply as per your eligibility or applicability, whatever you can do. Okay, otherwise you just have to start the test. Now you just have to enter the number that is visible to you in this circle. So the number was 3, now it is 2, now it is 9, now it is 7, then again 3, then 1. So this way you can enter the numbers and you have only a certain period of time, like for 2 or 3 seconds it is available. So you have to do it fast, right? So do it fast. Just click on the numbers, whatever is appearing on this circle. Now the test is done. So it will not take more than I think a minute or 1.5 minute. So now it will show you some offers and but you don't have to click on that. You just go through no thanks, continue to the test result. Now you just have to click on this, and when you click on this it will again load, and it may take several seconds just to appear, just to give you the result of your test. So like I have given the test of color blindness. Now it is showing me congrats, you can see 1 million distinct this much shades, and the thing is my color vision is normal, so I do not have any color blindness. I am eligible to apply any of the government post in which color blindness candidates are not eligible, or in which you should not have color blindness. So this way you can check your color blindness. It is very simple. I have shown you the steps. If you still have some confusion, some doubts, you can contact me. You can give me your comment in comment box, and I will definitely try to reach you at earliest possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's see you again in next video.